Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a keyboard shortcut to Droplet through the macOS app. First step is to click on one of the plus icons where you would like it and add shortcut, and on here we're going to choose keyboard shortcut. Now we have this shortcut builder. This keys modifier is already selected for us, but if it's not, you can click it and then press the keys that you want. So I'm going to create a shortcut that is Command Option 1, and I type those in one at a time, or you can hold them down how you're going to do it, and then we just select Add Keyboard Shortcut. Now in macOS, whatever application is open is what will execute that keyboard shortcut. If it's a universal one like a Command Tab or something like that, it'll overtake it. But in here, Command Option 1 doesn't do anything in Droplet, so we're going to hear that warning. But on my phone, I have that keyboard command set up here, so we will pull up Logic, and in Logic I have that set up to pull open whatever plugin is on the active slot. So if I tap that, pulls up our L2 for this track, and if I maybe move over to a different track and tap that again, we've got a de-esser here. So as soon as I tap that, the keyboard shortcut happens and pulls it up. So we can think of different ways to do that in different applications with maybe some awkward keyboard shortcuts, but hopefully that gets you, automating your workflow a little bit faster, accessing the things you need, and just making your digital workflow a little bit easier.